So here's how you can put your favorite photos as a screensaver on the Apple Watch. Let me show you how it works. If you are new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, on your iPhone, I would go to the iPhone where all of your photos are. It has to be, of course, the iPhone that you used to pair the Apple Watch, that it's all connected. But go to the Photos app, locate the picture which you like, and what you can do is to just, make it go full screen, click on a share, and you will have the ability to find the way or option to use it as a watch face. So you can literally create a watch face from that image. You click on it like that, and you can see that you can choose like different shapes, or you can turn it into the kaleidoscope watch face where you just grab the colors from that image, and that might be interesting as well. But perhaps click the photos watch face, and there you can change the shape where the time is supposed to be like at the top or at the bottom, and all of the other things in here. Like you can change the font and the number type, the style, the colors, and yes, so many things which are available. You have to customize it, but that's how you can pick the photos and pictures which you like, your favorites, to be always visible on the Apple Watch. Wherever you take a look at it, this is the picture that you're gonna see. So it's pretty simple to set up. That's how you can do this. Let me know if you managed to find it on your watch. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.